Not sure if I've ever mentioned this thing before. This is something I picked up from a scrapyard. This is an M90L munters dehumidifying unit. Quite a simple thing. Down here we've got the model number, M90L. It's 830 watt, and it's a refrigerant style dehumidifier. So air from the room or from a duct gets sucked through here and goes through the machine. Cooling plates. Which is part of the refrigeration system. And passes out through another dryer. I picked this up because I thought, oh well, there's a refrigeration compressor in there, I might be able to use the little compressor unit out of it for a silent air compressor or whatever. Made a few of them before. But brought it home and plugged it in. It had been left out in the rain, and surprise surprise, it just started and went. Now it's got two modes. It's got a manual mode and an automatic mode. It's got a temperature and current reset circuit breaker. Port there for the automatic mode, where it uses a humidity sensor. It's just sitting down in there. Yeah, it's a expensive unit. Pulled out of a computer server room. Yeah, it comes out of it. Unfortunately, it comes out a little bit warm. But yeah, it strips the humidity out of the air, and you get water straight out of that pipe there, drips out. And you sometimes get a bit of cooler air coming out of the bottom of there. Something a bit different for you. Yeah, M90L munters dehumidifier. Thanks for watching.